Developing at this hour.
This demonstration started at 4 p.m. and, like I said back then, there were more than 100 people. Now we know for sure that there's easily more than 200 people, and there's people from across the metro area who are here.
Protests erupted in Des Moines, Iowa, after the city school superintendent, Dr. Ian Andre Roberts, was detained by ICE.
Regardless of how someone looks, regardless of what their accent sounds like, regardless of how they dress, we should always value them.
Dr. Roberts, a Guyanese national, educator, and former track and field athlete, was appointed just 2 years ago. Homeland Security says he sped away when approached by ICE officers, later abandoning his vehicle. He was arrested with $3,000 in cash along with other items. Authorities say Roberts' work authorization expired in 2020. He was ordered deported in 2024, and his appeal was denied earlier this year. This story continues to develop. Please follow the Jamaica News page for more updates.